Conduit Mount Comp installs with flashing directly to a comp roof deck and can be positioned in either orientation before being securely bolted down. Conduit Mount Butyl can be positioned similarly, with only one restriction. The roof screw that attaches the base to the roof must not be installed facing the downslope side. It must be installed facing upslope or 90 degrees to either side. In contrast to Conduit Mount Comp, which is free to face 4 directions, Conduit Mount Butyl can only face 3. This is to protect the integrity of the attachment bolt against elemental forces over time, allowing Conduit Mount Butyl to last the lifetime of the system.